Appreciate y'all tuning in to Trev Tries. Hustle Trev on IG. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm on my road to 1K subs. So thank y'all for sticking with me. I know I ain't been consistent, but I'm getting back on it. I'm releasing a lot of content. I've been working on a lot of big projects for y'all. But don't worry, I've been documenting everything. So today, I wanted to get into one of my main hustles. For me, it's a main stream of income, and that's e-commerce. So e-commerce is basically selling anything online. Once you make that one sale, boom, you're part of the e-commerce world. But for me, I utilize the Amazon and eBay app. And before I continue, I want to let y'all know, if y'all want to see everything I'm selling, if you really want to excel your profile, making sure you're getting those views you need, so you're making money way faster, maximizing every aspect and using every tool these platforms have to offer, go ahead and get to that Discord at All Things Money. That Discord, man, we're talking about anything from stocks to real estate, and I'm the ambassador for the e-commerce side, so I'm sending signals all day long. But the guys we have in there are gurus at real estate and stocks. You know what I'm saying? We're trading options, we're day trading, we're swing trading, we're making calls, we're also doing puts. No matter what it is, long-term portfolio holds for you. We got guys in there watching these charts, and they do this for a living. They eat, sleep, and breathe stocks. And then on the real estate side, if you need some help getting some real estate, whether you need to wholesale it, you trying to lease, you trying to rent, get a mortgage, we got a guy in there who can walk you through every step of the process. But like I said, if anything you want to learn about money, we got it. So go ahead, I'm gonna drop the link below under this video to the All Things Money Discord, and we're gonna make some money. So today I want to give y'all some overview on e-commerce, and what I do specifically is not drop shipping. I go into the store and I physically touch these products. I buy anything that's gonna make me profit from $20 to $100. That's my rule. That's my price margin. So if I put in 20, I better get at least 20 back, putting me at 40, or if I put in 40 and I might sell that product for 200, depending on what it is, it can be high, and it can be selling $200 to $300 in profit. You know, so that's the joy of it. Especially when it comes to e-com, it's gonna be now, next, and the future. So why wouldn't you want to own a piece and get into it while it's still early? They still say like, oh, it's not saturated. There's billions of people. That's why Amazon is one of the biggest markets as of now. You know what I mean? And that's one of the platforms I actually utilize doing e-commerce. I use eBay and I use Amazon. And I'm gonna show y'all how I make my money. I did 1.3 in sales in one day. I'm gonna put it right here, just off of Amazon. That's not including my eBay store. So if you're a new seller, let's hop into it. If you're a new seller, you want to make sure that you use eBay because it's a lot more user friendly. It's straightforward. From listing the item to shipping the label to getting it to the post office, they walk you through every step. Amazon kind of comes in with the expectation that you're kind of familiar with doing e-commerce and understanding how to sell on the platform, and you got to pay a monthly fee. eBay, you only pay as you list and you sell an item. So if you're not listing anything, you're not paying eBay. But on Amazon, you might not sell nothing for 6 months. They're going to make you pay per month. It doesn't matter. If you're using the Amazon platform, you're paying per month. So it's important that you make sure you got an inventory, you know what you're selling, and you got to be a lot more punctual. On Amazon, you got 3 strikes and you're out. You don't reply to a message. You don't give the customer the refund they're requesting. You ship late. All that affects your Amazon rating, and Amazon is a very prestige store. That's why everyone trusts it. That's why it's such a trusted brand, because they come through. They come through on everything, and they deliver. And it's a very, very sharp company. So when you're even becoming a seller for Amazon, you gotta be on their P's and Q's. Because once you get banned, it's hard to get out. It's hard to reach customer service. Because again, they got expectations that when you come on as this brand and this member, you're working at A+. They Chick-fil-A when it comes to the staff and what the requirements need to meet and how they get back to the customer. See, eBay kind of, I'm not gonna say it's McDonald's, but their service do lack a little bit, you know. And you got a lot of room. I'm not gonna say lack. They give you a lot more room to communicate with the customer when something's going wrong. You might ship it 2 to 3 days past the date, but it's just a lot more user friendly. Amazon, you ship them an hour late, they own you. They bad reviews. He asking for a refund. It's all bad. So you don't want to play around, and they also will ban your account. It takes a lot for your account on eBay to get banned as long as you're not doing anything illegal. It's real hard for your account to get banned on eBay. But Amazon, 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out of there. So basically, how my hands-on method works is I go in the store, I find these items that are selling at a very good price, $20 to $100. That's where I like to stick. It varies from season to season, and I buy them out and I list them ASAP. You want to buy these products and list them ASAP. Now I'm giving out plays and signals in the Discord, so you can click that barcode on Amazon and eBay. You can scan items and see where they rank and check recent sales, and it'll show you what the item is selling for right now and how fast it's selling. But I'm going to cut all that in half. You can be sourcing all day long and not find a product. I'm dropping a play, whether it's this, a P5, Xbox. I'm dropping things that are known right now, but in there I got items that I'm selling every day that you got to study the market to know. And it's just going to save you a ton of time. So I go in there, I find my product, I list it ASAP and dump, because depending on what that item is, it fluctuates all day. Volume one day could be a profit of 80 and tomorrow it'll be a profit of 20, or it's not moving and it breaks. And you never want to do that. I'm here to help you make money. So you want to list it ASAP. So after you list it, it sells. What do you do next? You go on your computer, you print the shipping label. If it's under 5 pounds and it's not that big, you want to wrap it up, attach the shipping label to the front. I'm going to show y'all how I do these things in other tutorial videos. And then you take it to the post office and you profit. But I'm hands-on. I'm not drop shipping. I'm going into the store. I'm buying the product for the low and I'm selling it for the high. That's what I'm doing. And then if you want me to get more in detail, you guys can ask some questions in the comments below. I'll try to answer them as well. But this method, you can make hundreds to thousands of dollars per day. And e-commerce is the future. If you're alive right now in 2021, you know what it is. It's on social media. Your friends talk about it. Your mother talks about it. Everyone talks about it. You know what I mean? So you might as well get in, and it's not a saturated market, because at the end of the day, we're buying every single day. That's life. That's in online shopping at its all-time highs, especially with COVID. And when COVID's over, we learned one thing, that we can buy anything we need at the palm of our hands. And you can be that seller that they're coming to, and you're the one that they're buying from. So, hey, that was just a quick overview on how I do e-com. Again, I'm sending signals all day, plays, and I'm going to get on here and I'm going to show you guys the process of what it looks like to really be in e-commerce, to really make it enough money, to really, build that as a mainstream of revenue. So I appreciate y'all tuning in, and hey, look forward to seeing y'all again. Got a lot of content coming. Let's get it.